Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to change password in TeraBox Vault, and now let's dive right in. Now to change your password in your TeraBox Vault, first open up a TeraBox app on your phone, and after opening a TeraBox app, guys, on this interface at the top left corner of the screen you can see there is a three-line icon available for us just beside the TeraBox logo at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on it and this kind of panel will appear where you can see the personal vault option available for us just below the space analyzer over here, which is the third option. Tap on personal vault and you land over here again at the top right corner of the screen, guys. On this interface you can see the three dotted icon available for us. Tap on the three dotted icon at the top right corner of the screen and this kind of drop down menu will appear just below it. You can tap on settings and you can see the option to change or reset your password on TeraBox Vault, which is the first one. Tap on it, and after tapping on it, guys, you land over here where you'll be required to first enter the password of your personal vault which you're using currently. And after that, guys, you will be landed over here where you'll be required to set a password for your personal vault. So enter a 4-digit or 4-numbered password over here which you will be using in the future, and again confirm your password over here. And with that being done, guys, your password on your TeraBox Vault will be changed. And there, guys, this is how to change password in TeraBox Vault. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.